All right, somebody asked me, how do you do a post on Instagram, or how do you post to a story? So they've got a bunch of new things that they've done on Instagram. So let's go ahead and open it up. So it's going to open up, and the first thing you're going to notice at the bottom is this little change. It used to be the upload used to be down here, so you could put photos and videos on, but now it's this new thing. So if I press this, watch what happens. It just brings up videos.
Keeps getting sparkling water, and I don't know who. Someone's getting fired.
So if you want to get out of that, you got to hit that. Let's try it again.
Somebody keeps getting sparkling water.
So now I turned it off by clicking on it because we don't want to listen to it. So you can go to the next video if you want by sliding up, just like that. And everybody's got videos on here now. And you can go ahead and look at them. There's a guy surfing. And I don't know what this is. But anyway, so that's the new thing. It's videos. If I click it again, it goes to the front one. But I want to get out of that. So I'm going to click out of that. So if you click that bottom thing, you're going to see a video. If you want to do an upload, you got to come up here and click on here. And that's going to give you all of your photos that you have and videos that are on your phone. And then you can pick from them. If you want to do a post, you can go ahead and pick a video or a photo, and you can make a post out of it. Let's say, like, if I wanted to do, this picture right here. It's a picture of Florida, and then I could post it. I could hit next and then do all the things. Let's just go through it so you see. So we go next, and then, you can change it. It's got all these different things you can do to it, whatever. Then you can go to next, and then you can put in, whatever you want to say in there. If you want, you can just go ahead and click the little microphone and go, "This is a picture of Florida from the International Space Station. Hashtag kitesurf." And then I just hit that, and it goes away. And now I've got that right up in there. And I could go kite surfing too if I want. And then I could hit OK. And then if I like that and I'm ready to go, I can also put it on Delray Beach. So that's the location. And then it's asking me where I want to post it. I could post it on my, I've got some other accounts. I could put it on Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Birthday Comp, or my other Instagram accounts. These are Instagram accounts, and these are Facebook and all that. But we'll just put it on. We're just going to put it on Instagram. So I'm going to go ahead and share that. Bam. So that now is going to post. Takes a while. It hits it. And then we can go here and take a look at it. And it should post in there. So there it is. Now the other thing you can do is if you click on here, so now I'm in my page area with all my photos and things. But if I go here, I can still do post. So it brings up this little drop down window. And here you could do post. You could do something to your story. You could do story highlights, video, a reel, or a guide. So you can create a lot of different things. So this is no longer your upload. So your upload here, when you're in your, page, is up at the top. Over here, your upload is up at the top. If I go here, you can buy stuff. If I go here, you can search stuff. So that's pretty much it. Let's go back here, and that's some of the new features on here. And so again, if you want to do a post, you go here. It gives you this down here, and then you have to decide if it's going to be a post, if it's going to be a story. If it's going to be a story, you can put it on your Facebook page. If you're going to do a reel, you can go there. Now this is a whole new thing. I'll have to make a video on it. But you can create reels, record and edit short videos, and share them to the reels where anybody can discover them. So, if you want to get started, you can click that. And you can just, whatever, you hit here and you start videotaping. If you want to go live, you just go there, hit that, bam, and you're live. So those are the different things that you can do. All right, now I'm going to just go ahead and get out of there, bam, and go back to my page. Yep, there's that one. And so we're looking good. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out the other cool videos on Instagram. Peace out.